Hi, I'm Andy Milner, Product Manager at PI Genesis. With me today, I have Lemo's Optima connector family, the F-Series and the M-Series. Optima connectors are compact, miniature, lightweight, and low profile. They are mill standard tested, have excellent shielding capabilities, and are vibration and shock resistant. But how do these two connectors differ? First, let's explore the F-Series. Engineered for industrial environments, these connectors feature a push-pull latching system offering rapid, secure mating and resilience against shocks and vibrations. Sealed to IP67, the F-Series connector has been developed to meet the most demanding requirements in terms of dimensions and weight. Now, onto the M-Series. Ideal for aerospace and defense, these IP68 rated connectors feature a triple start fast locking ratchet coupling system, allowing for easy yet secure connections. From motorsport to aerospace, Lemo connectors excel. They offer 3,000 mating cycles and 360-degree EMC shielding protection. Both products undergo thorough testing procedures to comply with chemical, thermal, and mechanical properties to suit a wide range of critical applications. For more information regarding Lemo connectors, reach out to me using the following contact information. See you next time.